nugget. Something for everyone. Look at this. Ford LTD. Cook County Sheriff's Police. Wonder if it was at one time. I doubt it. I don't know. They got... Okay. They got two of them. What is this? Galaxy? 67, 68? Leave me a comment. Let me know. Hebron Police. I don't know. I can't see it. Yeah, it doesn't seem like this microphone's working. Is that a Catalina back there? Looks like it. Moe's Bar and Grill. That's what that sign says over there. Look at his tractor. Wow, they got stuff way in the back there. Check out some of this stuff. Clyde Warren. Look at that steering wheel. What does that remind you of? Didn't even see that old outhouse right there. What is this car? This looks like an old Mercury or something, right? Yeah. Ooh, Chevelle. '72. I keep trying to look inside there and the reflection's too much. 71, 72, 71, I think. Here, I'll go on this side. Maybe I can look inside over here. groovy night. Chevy van. I think my dad had one of these. It was a work van. Way back. Okay. I just wanted to do a quick stop here. I saw all this. Old fire truck, huh? All the wood on the side. Oh, I guess there wouldn't be any glare here. This is kind of like the one that's sitting in Beaver Dam. There's two of them sitting out there on Highway 33. So, all right, till the next one. Thank you for watching Wisconsin Points of Interest.